Kennedy compare ko Japan bra na me ka asem kire wo hwe ameka asem kire wo sa won tro na watwa no untimi ntwa biomu won tro na watwa etwa no bra na me kan kire wo se untimi yeden untimi ntwa biomu Kennedy compare ko Japan so we a okasa te said the MPP party in the last 8 years na no more power no na won kan ho bi o timi be ka kire wo se na mo ba ye no o ma fo adwuma mu wo na wo fa nipa dodo se adwuma mu fa me san wo na ni wo ho o fa nipa dodo se adwuma mu busa wo nipa dodo se na wo employ mo as Kennedy Japan nipa dodo se na wo employ mo o so le na wo twa ntro kire man for say wo workers 7,000 mo wen where are they the 7,000 workers no man some for na mo wen fa now let me tell you something Kennedy Japan be ka kire wo say ba o miani MPP for pass COVID tax and COVID levy Eeii betting tax na ono de na on for asumebusa if you guys could remember in 2020 you got to abano NPP had 138 members of parliament. NDC had 137 members of parliament. So it is telling you something, say yentimi pass any bill or any law say MPs ni na parliamenta. We cannot pass any law or any bill if MPP members ni na parliament. And it's not bekaya. You pass 11 no. E was some kofa just for free approach but now be kan one say it pass. Have you guys forgotten? Because the numbers no was the same. One person pay free so the numbers become the same and therefore you cannot pass any bill or any tax or any levy our person will pass it. And the MPP government was able to pass Eeii levy, betting tax, COVID levy, and any other stuff, sir. Kennedy Agyapong Japan was part. He was part. In fact, can you provide one video of Kennedy Agyapong, our parliamenter, or can say Eeii levy and a betting tax no, on Jim to Muntino, on vote, yes or no, Anna? Can you provide any video? No. There is none. The man is a liar. He's a hypocrite. I'm telling you. He was part of the people who passed the electronic levy. He was part of the people who passed the betting tax. He was part of the people who passed the COVID levy. Kennedy Agyapong Japan was part. In fact, he is the main person who brought out these things. Often he said, he thinks he is wise than everyone, but he is not. I'm telling you in authority. He is not. He is not wise. I'm telling you. And you cannot deceive anyone anymore. I'm telling you in authority. You cannot deceive anyone anymore. Because the fact that you've been deceiving people, that in the MPP for never, you know, as I can't say the end Ghanaians are saying I should ask you a very simple question. Kennedy Agyapong Japan, are you a member of the National Democratic Congress? Because you talk and behave as if you're a member of the National Democratic Congress. That is what Ghanaians are saying. You are a hypocrite. That's what they are saying. I'm not the one saying it. Now there is a video that I'm going to show you of a lady, a journalist, and he has some nice. She has some nice words for Kennedy Agyapong Japan. I think he's going to like these words. So let's go and listen to this the video from the journalist, you know. Now you go to because she has a very nice message for Kennedy Agyapong Japan. You go to someone or they told you no.
And this in a winnie. Can we imagine? Second Agyapong, I MP. Time our MP no. Now I send north, I send south, and I send central. I one constituency. Yeah, a boom. And a letter ye chemu, and ya asin north, asin south, ya otna asin central so. And the Kennedy Agyapong as a businessman, the way will genenum pa. So also uncle be na say MPP parliamentary candidate here. I was say parliamentary candidate no quite election now will lose. Our Kennedy Agyapong constituency. And then imagine say MPP for Binumania Bresa Ghana, your next president, your Kennedy Agyapong. I see say Ghana for your Jimmy Forza. And then you people do you think say 2016 2015 era no ebi da so wo Ghana ha se biem na ana mu se mu fi se Ghana no ane kantamantu dwem Ghana no ane makola Ghana no ane Central Market dwem keti adwem ana se mu fi se Ghana no anu eye market na wo fi se gullible minded people na gu hono mo o ma dwem wo ha enti do be kan dia tuniti mu bia kan dia tuniti a member of parliament what na constituency akwa not 1 term not 2 term not 3 term akwatwa so time o ka se won ko biem the party no parliamentary candidate akwa election eluso and can you imagine say MPP for any
Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong, let me tell you something. Opa, the Botoma, there is no way you be the flag bearer of the new political party. Look at my face. You would never and would never be a flag bearer of the new patriotic party. Not even in our next life. You would never be the flag bearer of the new patriotic party. Listen to me very carefully. You would never and ever be the flag bearer of the new patriotic party. Let me tell you why. Because you are not truthful. You are hypocrites and selfish. And for that reason, you would never and ever be the flag bearer of the new patriotic party. Mark it on the wall. On the 31st of January 2026, you will cry like a baby. You would ask yourself, why are these people doing this to me? Why have you people rejected me? Why are you people treating me like I'm a stranger? That is when you realize that you are no more important to the new patriotic party anymore. In fact, we see you like a living ghost in the new patriotic party. On that very day, you would understand the reason why people calls you the Judas of our time. On that very day, you would witness a kind of failure you've never witnessed in your entire life as a human being. The people who are doing you yodium on that very day would show you that they were just doing it for the sake of the money you give to them. You would never and ever become the flag bearer of the new patriotic party. You would never succeed. I know a lot of people are misleading you to believe that Ghanaians like you. But the truth is, no one in his right sense would choose you as a leader. You don't have leadership qualities. You always behave as someone who doesn't know what he's doing. You always talk back of what you say. I want to let you understand that all this while, you've been portraying yourself to be truthful and honest person, but in real life, you are not. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong, you don't deserve to be the flag bearer of the new patriotic party. And today, being the 8th of November 2025, I stand in front of all Ghanaians to tell you that you would never and ever become the flag bearer of the new patriotic party. If I were you, I would resign from the new patriotic party and also resign from the upcoming presidential elections. Do so for your own peace. Do so for your own dignity and reputation, because you've already lost your reputation. You are no more credible because people see you to be a traitor. I urge you to take this advice, and I know it's going to help you. This is my advice to you. Take it, and it is going to help you. Now, to everyone who is watching this video, wherever you are watching me from, Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong can never be the flag bearer of the new patriotic party. I know the reason why I'm saying this. On that very day, you would understand the reason why I said this. My name is Promise, and I want to promise you that you would never be the flag bearer of the new patriotic party. Thank you.